Good morning and welcome to Morning Coffee, Massage Marketing and Business Building with Susan Bell. That's me. Here's my coffee this morning. I'm going to take a sip. So today we're going to show you how to use your business cards as a coupon or marketing tool. So business cards are still one of the most convenient ways to give your information to somebody. So you want to keep it simple. Mine here, I'm going to show you mine, is got all the basic information on there and some pretty pictures just to use up the white space. And then on the back it has some modalities, book online today. I'll actually put this in the chat. It's even got a little QR code right there if they want to scan that, which is always a fun thing. It's very simple. Has a lot of simple information, but here is the thing with business cards. Business cards, when you hand them out, usually disappear. I have a ton of business cards. In fact, I have a purse that I haven't used in a long time, and I went in there and I have business cards in there from 20 years ago, and I laughed. Thought, I wonder how many of these are still good. I don't even remember these people, let alone what they gave me a business card for. So, don't expect handing out a bunch of business cards and to get something off of it, but you can make this card valuable. And there's a simple script and a way to do that. So first off, one thing I want to point out on here is I do not have my personal information on here. I've got my business number. I don't even think I have an email. So they have my business number, they have the website, they have the Facebook page, and that's about it. That's plenty of information. They don't need my cell phone. And there's two reasons for that. One, they're not going to call me personally. They're going to call the business. So I have two different numbers for, business line versus personal line for multiple reasons. And second off, it allows me to personalize this card if I want to. So the first thing I could do with this card is if I've made a connection with somebody, I could say, you know what? Let me give you my personal number. And then I can take a pen and simply jot on the back, this is my cell. I don't give this to everyone. So when you text me or call me, make sure that you mention that I gave you this card because it's got my cell on it. No one gets my cell. So this is really special for you. And they go, ooh, special for me. The second thing that I could do on this card, and I do often, is I make this card valuable. So I say, you know what? I really want you to come in my office and see me. My walk-in price is $75. But today, I really want to see you. So I'm going to knock it down to $50. So I'm going to write on here for you $25 off, and I'm going to initial it. I'm going to say, so this is worth $25 off my walk-in price. That when you're ready to book, if they haven't already, you bring this card and I'll give you 25 off. In fact, you know what? I'm going to give you two of them, and I give them a second card. Give this to a friend or a family member. I really, really want to see you. And now these cards are worth $25. So do I put an expiration date? No. Do I wait with bated breath for them to use them? No. The point is it's out there and they're less likely to throw it away because it's worth $25. Now, do I care if they pay me $50 instead of $75? No, because the minute they come in my office and I give them an awesome massage, they're going to rebook. And they're going to tell their family and friends because I'm awesome. And you're going to be awesome too. And so this is just a simple, cheap way to use your business cards and to make them worth $25. You don't need special cards. You don't need it to do anything. Spencer went ahead and put $25 off on there, but that doesn't create a sense of personal attention. If I say, you know what, just for you, I really want to see you, I'm going to make this card worth $25. So when you call me, mention that I did this on the card and bring the card, and I will be happy to take that $25 off and see you for $50 instead of $75. That is significant as opposed to everybody gets 25 off. Oh, this isn't anything special. So those are the two ways I make my business cards more valuable and somebody's more likely to hold on to them. And I did have a client who I did that for, And I worked on her once. I gave her a card and I said, here's a $25 card. And actually, no, I gave her my phone number. And then I didn't hear from her ever again. 6 months later, I got a phone call from a friend of hers who said, you worked on my friend so-and-so. She absolutely loved you and never had a problem with her back again. I, however, am having back pain. She gave me the card you gave her and said to call you directly, and it had your cell phone on it. So I got her in and worked on her. So never underestimate them. Just let them go with a full heart, and they'll come back. But make them personal. Make it a personal thing. Not, here's a 25 for you and a 25 for you and a 25 for you. That's not special. So go ahead and make them unique and use them in your talking points when it comes to handing people cards. So I have another video of where I was actually in an Einstein's and wound up talking to a gentleman who was one of the trainers for SMU, which is a big college here in Dallas. Had I had some cards, I could have given them to him if I were growing my business. And all the people who watched me work on this girl, I could have handed them or started conversations with them around these $25 off cards if I were truly using that. So what you can do is look up that video. I think it's called, I don't know, I'll figure it out. Anyway, you can use this as a marketing tool once you start a dialogue. That's kind of what I'm getting at. So there it is. There's my card, as cute as it is, in my purple shirt. For those of you who watched the other video, there I am in my purple shirt doing massage. It's very simple. It's very clean. It has basic information. It is timeless. That shirt and that picture probably 4 years old. So, yeah, 4 or 5 years old. So they're timeless. There's nothing on here I need to change ever unless I change offices. Even when I changed offices, I didn't change phone numbers because I have a business phone number. So the cards that you use can be timeless. So if you put holiday stuff on them, or time sensitive or month sensitive things, or this coupon only expires May 5th, you've got to throw all those cards out. So don't put anything on your business cards that are time sensitive. And that's my business card info. If you like it, comment below. If you wanted to add something that you do to your business cards, that's great. I will talk to you later. Bye.